To get started with using Monday.com subitems, first understand the concept of items and subitems. Items are the main tasks or projects you create on your Monday.com board, while subitems are smaller tasks or components that make up the main item. To create a subitem, go to your Monday.com board and click on the item you want to add a subitem to. Then click on the three dots at the right side of the item and select Add Subitem. You can also use the plus sign at the bottom right of the item to add a subitem. Once you have added a subitem, you can start adding details such as due dates, assignees, and descriptions. You can also add multiple subitems to an item, and each subitem can have its own set of details. A key concept to keep in mind when using subitems is that they can be used to break down large tasks into smaller ones, making it easier to manage and track progress. For example, if you have a main item for a marketing campaign, you can create subitems for tasks such as creating social media posts, designing graphics, and writing content. Another practical example of using subitems is in project management. If you have a main item for a project, you can create subitems for different components of the project, such as research, development, and testing. To get the most out of using subitems, it is essential to follow best practices such as keeping subitems concise and focused on a specific task, using clear and descriptive names for subitems, and regularly updating the status of subitems. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Monday.com subitems to streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and enhance collaboration with your team. Remember to keep your subitems organized and use them to break down large tasks into smaller ones, making it easier to manage and track progress.